Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Xgene and Proteinx. In this tutorial video I'll show you how to make any primer, how to design primer using NCBI. So I already showed in my several videos previously that how to make any kind of primer using Xgene, and that was manually. But this is, and also I found, I showed one video that is how to make video by using one online tool. But this is the NCBI blast, how to get and how to design any primers very accurately. So for that you have to go through this website NCBI blast, and if you scroll down you can find there are several options, and out of it you can get one option, that is the primer blast. So you have to hit this one, then you will get this kind of window and one box where you have to insert your desired sequence. So for example, I want to get one sequence from here. This is a DNA sequence, so I want to get primer from here. This is around 4, 8, 10, 10, 20, so around 530 to 520, 540, around 540 nucleotide long sequence. So paste this one here, and there are several options, you can check it out, but also it's not very necessary all of these options to go through. But this is the organism, you can accordingly you can change it. And also there are amplicon size, the maximum target amplicon size 4000, so you can change it. So for my case actually this is the 5, this is 530 nucleotides long sequence, so I want to get the amplicon size around 400. Okay, so and then get primer. It takes bit time because is many people they use this NCBI blast to get this kind of result and also for other purposes, so it takes bit time, and also it depends on your um, the speed of that in network. So but also there are some other online tools you can also get very accurate primer, because I also showed, I remember that is a gene script, how to get primer by using gene script. And also there are some online tool you can go through to it, and also get, you can get very accurate and perfect primer, because in some cases uh, the primer that we design manually in some cases is not very perfect, and in that cases the amplicon and size and the amplification in some cases is very there are chances of error to get some mistake. But if you design it online or any software by using any software, then this kind of chances is you can minimize, and you can get very perfect primer to design. So I think is almost done. Is is about to show the result. Yeah, finally we get the result. So you see there are different kind of primers, and primer pair 1, primer 2, 3, how many pairs? 10 pairs of primers is showed here. And but the amplicon size is also varies, and is primer to primer. This is the length is 234 is maximum. Sorry, this is 246 is maximum. So if you want to get the longer or amplicon size, is big amplicon size, then you have to put a longer sequence. And here you can see the all of the primers is fine, but according to your amplicon size, you can choose any primers. So all of the primers you see is very perfect according to the all of the parameters. So the length all are 20, and TM, this is all are around 60. This is the standard one, and GC also is around 60, 50 to 60. This is actually very perfect. So forward primer and reverse primer. So from here you can choose any of the primers. So I guess this is very useful. You can use it. So that's it, guys. I hope this video will be helpful. Thanks for watching this video.